I am going to show you how to build one of these console tables. Now I want to thank Matt from 731 Woodworks for the plans. Now I did modify them just a little bit, but I am going to show you my journey to this beautiful thing. I built it for my mom, and I built two more end tables to match this in the freezing cold. So I do hope you enjoy the video. Here we go. Okay, so I just put the tabletop together. I put all the pocket hole screws in there, the wood glue, and everything is just clampy. I'm gonna let it dry for a bit. And then what I'm gonna do is actually sand it down. And like I said before, I'm gonna add like a nice finish to the round, to round it off. And that's gonna give it a nice finish. And then I actually have to assemble the base of the table, which is gonna be the apron, the legs, and everything like that. So what I'm gonna do while this dries is I'm gonna actually start cutting those pieces to size, and then they're going to be ready. I'm going to start assembling them, and yeah, so let's see what happens. Okay, so I went into, I finished doing the wood, cutting to size. Now what I'm gonna do is actually straighten the edges. So what I actually have to do is run them through the table saw and get a straight edge on both sides. So my phone actually got down to 0%, so I had to go charge it, and so I actually did a lot of work in between that. I just didn't want to wait to film. I wanted to get this project done. So what I did already is, and it's cold in here. I live in Canada, so it's pretty cold. I don't know if you can see that steam coming out, or the cold air coming out of my mouth, but anyways. This is the frame of the table, and so basically it came out pretty good. It's not perfect, but it came out pretty good. As you can see here, you know, so it's pretty basic setup. So it's just like pocket hole screws. I'm just gonna do that, and you're gonna see here. It's pretty basic, just the pocket hole screws, and with wood glue. Okay, so this is the final build. This was it. This is the conclusion. And actually what I did is I built 2 more end tables to match this style. And it took me a few days to do, in the freezing cold, mind you. But it is done, and I am getting ready for my next project, which I will post. Please subscribe and please watch more videos. Thank you so much for watching all this, and I'll do kind of a montage of the final table for you. So thank you so much.